Hello everyone and welcome to Creative Lesson. In this lesson we are going to create our first program. So let's get started. First open PyCharm, then create new project. You can write anything here. I'll write learning Python and create it and click on yes. Okay, so then this window should appear. Then we right click here, new and Python file. You can name anything here. I'll write print.py. It's not necessary to add .py at the end, but it is a good habit for later use. And okay. So this is our editor. Here we can write our code. So the first program what we create is about printing. And the function for printing in Python is print and parentheses, and you may call them brackets and double quotes. And you can write anything here. I'll write hello Python world. And now we'll run this and from here and run it. This is just to configure this file and click on it and we have our output hello Python world. So let's take a closer look at what Python does when we run this code. Our editor runs this code through Python interpreter, which reads through the program and determines what each word in the program means. For example, when Python sees the word print, it prints to screen whatever is inside these parentheses. And as we write our program, our editor highlights different parts of our program in different ways. For example, it recognizes that print is the name of a function and displays that word in blue color. Similarly, it recognizes that hello Python word is not Python code and displays that in orange or in dull color. This feature is called syntax highlighting and is quite useful as we start to write our programs. If we want to add something more or we want to add another sentence, we can write it here, print and again parentheses and double quotes, and I can write learning Python is easy, and I will run it from here and you see we get the same result of hello Python world and another sentence, learning Python is easy. If we leave some empty lines between the two print functions and then run it, we see the same result as before. This is because Python does not read empty lines. So it will read the first line and when it proceeds to the next line, it will check for code. If there is no code, it will skip the line. It will skip until it reaches line 7. It is not necessary to write alphabets. We can write numbers and special characters. So let's try it. I'll write here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then I'll write special characters here. That can be anything. I'll write, and if I run it, I'll get the special characters and the integers. So this is all for this lesson. In the next lesson we will learn about variables. So thank you and goodbye.